Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can order alcohol from Swiggy. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, all you need to do is simply tap open your Swiggy app. So once you tap it open, you will be redirected to this interface or simply tap on wine shops. However, to buy alcohol, you need to verify your age. So simply choose a government ID to upload. Once you do this, take the consent form and tap on proceed to verify for further verification. Now, once you have done this, you need to now proceed to capture your ID, and after capturing your ID, all you need to do is simply tap on use this photo or retake your ID's photo again. After this, you need to proceed to take a selfie of your own to ensure that the person on the ID is you, and after a while your documents will be verified and you will be able to buy alcohol from Swiggy. So you will be redirected to this page, and now you need to select the alcohol you want to purchase, add it to your cart, and once you have added the item, you need to tap on make payment to proceed your payment. Then you will be updated about the cancellation policy as well. So simply select a payment method on your choice, and by this way you can simply order an alcohol on Swiggy. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more interesting videos. Thank you for watching.